Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error code 277. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, first type here Windows Update Settings and then click check for updates, and after that just make sure to install all the updates that you can find here. Now click here and then type here view network connections and click on it. Now just select your connection and right click on it and click properties, and after that click protocol internet version 4 and click properties, and after that just you will find like that. Just select the second one here and type here 88888844 and click OK. Now just restart your PC and you'll find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.